So to do a yarn over single crochet, you're going to insert your hook, and then you're going to bring your hook underneath and around to the back so that the yarn goes over your hook, and then you're going to pull it through. So it's gonna go over your hook first. The first thing the yarn does with your hook is it goes over it. And you just continue bringing your hook around the back and up on top. But it's called yarn over because the first contact that your working yarn makes with your hook is it goes over your hook. So for yarn under, you're going to insert your hook, and you are going to bring your hook up around the front side and put your hook on top of the yarn so the yarn goes under your hook, and then you pull it up through. Again, you bring your hook up on top so the yarn runs underneath of your hook. And again. And with this, it makes your stitches look like little X's. In my opinion, I think that looks a lot neater. It's a lot cleaner look. Hey, real quick before we move on, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to use some of the items I'm using, check out the links below. So, here are the two items. Don't mind how awful this one actually looks right now because my cat decided that it was playtime before I could finish the second one. But this side is still good to look at. If you look at the stitches here, you'll notice that they are V's, and in those little corners where the V meets, there's the holes in it look slightly bigger than they do in these ones. In this one, they are X's, and for whatever reason, it makes the fabric tighter and more even. It just looks a lot more professional. This is my favorite technique to use when I am making stuffed animals. When I go to the fair each year and I enter a stuffed animal that I've crocheted to be judged. First year I got first place, and the past 2 years I've gotten second place, and yes, I know it's okay to not get first place, but I'm a little salty about it because the winners both years used this method instead of this method, and this method just looks so much cleaner. I mean, last year the winner made an octopus, and I made like a little reindeer guy. His name's Chopper. He's from One Piece, if you've seen that show. I've never seen it, but it was requested from a friend, so I made it. I did the yarn under technique, and the winner made an octopus, and it was yarn over, and I was told that the only reason they won was because of the bobble stitches on the tentacles, which were pretty cool, but this is the best look to go with if you are trying to decide if you want to go with yarn over or yarn under. Ultimately, it's up to you, but this is my preference. I also am curious, because I've never tried this before, but if you noticed, in each stitch, you have to pull a loop up and then pull a loop through both. So you yarn over twice for one stitch. I am curious what it would look like if you did the first one yarn over, yarn under. So I guess there's 4 different ways you could do this, but here's the 2 main ways. This is my favorite way. And it took me so long to learn this technique. I could not figure out why my stuffed animals didn't look like other people's online. They always looked so much neater like this. I couldn't figure out why. And I was doing the yarn over technique and they were doing the yarn under technique. And it took me forever until I finally came across a post on Pinterest that explained this, and it's a game changer. So if you've been wondering the same thing, why don't my stitches look as professional as others? This is why. This is the answer to that question. Huge difference, in my opinion. Maybe in a future video I will do the yarn over, yarn under, and the yarn under, yarn over technique, and we can compare those. Enjoy your crocheting, and I hope you have a good night. Bye!